but you found me. Yeah, you found me. I was afraid to restart, but you made me see. Yeah, you made me see. What do I do when all I think about is you? You're in my mind, guess it's a sign we'll be alright. What do I say if you tell me you don't feel the same? You're in my heart, you're tearing me apart. Broken hearted, but you found me. Yeah, you found me. I was afraid to restart, but you made me see. Yeah, you made me see.
Ang cute naman, ang cute ng bunga. Ay. Ang cute ng bunga, oh. Wala, galing.
Sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets but if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know. Losing almost all my energy. It's getting hard to talk to you, and I'm the only one who speaks. It's all the things you never show. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know. Here we go, turning all the wrongs into rights. Here we go, you can take me there tonight. Whoa.
kitchen. Bibili akong ice cream. Kitchen. Ayan, ito may Google Pay pala dito, oh. Pero hindi ko alam kung paano ano nito. Ano? Coffee break muna tayo. Ayan. €19. Ayan guys, andito ako ngayon sa isang shop na kung saan may tinatayaan ng loto. Ayan, naghinga muna ako kasi kumain ako ng ice cream. Nakabili ako ng salamin guys, ito. Ayan, suot ko ngayon. Although may salamin ako pero nagustuhan ko siya kasi dati bumili din ako dito. Yung pumunta kami, yung ano ko, round. Ayan. Nakilala ko ng babae. Sabi niya ako daw yung pumunta dati. Naglakad ako, napagod ako. Kasi hinanap ko saan yung daanan ng ibang daanan, hindi yung yun na lang lagi. Malayo pala. Kakataon. Ang sarap. Yan. Ayan guys, tapos na ako kumain ng ice cream. Pwede na wala akong maglakad. Ayan, pupunta na ako sa supermarket. Thank you for watching. Thank you sa all the support sa aking channel, James TEB Vlog. Thank you so much. Bye! Thank you so much guys sa all the support to my channel, James TEB Vlog. Ayan, bagong salamin. Nakabili na naman ako. Ano kasi to? Collection. Collection yan. Collection. Mahilig ko sa mga stylas. Ayan, ang dami ko na parang napamili. Oh Lord. Mabigat na to. Malit pa nito. Kaya doon na yung yung train. Wala na yung bus dyan guys, oh. Iniwan na ako. Dumating galing sa Constance.